most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, we say good morning. We are tracking a few showers on the old radar here, including Lewistown, Mifflintown area, western Perry County, northern Franklin County. Seeing a few leftover showers from some of the activity that we had yesterday. I really think that once this little line of showers pushes through the region here, and it's mainly going to be in our western Ridge and Valley region, these folks did pick up the most rain yesterday. We'll get into that in just a bit. The rest of the day is probably, keyword probably, going to be dry and pretty pleasant here this afternoon, but we'll take more rain. We're not going to complain about that. Here are the rainfall totals from yesterday. The Doppler estimated accumulated rainfall showing a very clear winner and a very clear loser for the rainfall yesterday. And the winner would be our northern and western counties, with most of our southern tier missing out on the rain yesterday. So when we look at the region as a whole, the average accumulation was around 3/4 of an inch. But again, most of that fell in northern Dauphin, parts of Perry, Mifflin, Juniata counties, parts of Franklin County. But the southern tier completely missing out yesterday. Again, hit and miss. The northern tier was hit. The southern tier was missed. In fact, let's focus in on that northern tier yesterday, because these folks got between 1 and 2 inches of really some much needed rainfall. In fact, the average accumulation just for that area, Mifflin, Juniata, Perry County, 1.67 inches of rain. That is not too shabby yesterday, and certainly, again, much needed. This morning, we are dealing with a few leftover showers and clouds over the capital city. 71 degrees, dew point still pretty high in the upper 60s, and it will be another humid day. Some showers over Delmarva right now, too. We've got another little wave coming through as well. And as I mentioned, I think that's going to be it for the day. But some high-res guidance does suggest maybe a pop-up shower this afternoon and again tomorrow. So it may not be totally dry, but again, we're not going to complain. We need the rain, and we'll take it when we can get it. Temperatures are starting out very warm in the low to mid 70s, and dew points for most of the cities are in the 70s as well. So a very humid and balmy start to the day. You know, I circled the rainfall total yesterday at the airport. How about this? 1.25 inches of rain yesterday at HIA. Another very helpful amount at the airport, putting us back over an inch now for the year in terms of a surplus. 86 was the high yesterday, right at the normal level. The low was 74, and the record today 100 degrees, which will be safe, although we will be back in the 90s today as we take a live look at downtown Lancaster. 92 degrees will be a high. This is going to kickstart another heat wave for us, and yes, this time around it is going to be humid. That humidity will help fuel some stray shower chances here the next 2 days. I do expect better shower and storm chances here heading into the weekend. You may not like to hear that for outdoor plans, but again, for those of us really keeping tabs on the rainfall situation, I think that's going to be our next best shot to see some rain. It's looking like perhaps Saturday. Now this evening, what I think is going to happen is we should clear out, and while there still may be a passing shower in spots, I expect skies to be mainly sunny. Temperatures will be right around 90 degrees. I mean, it's going to be a nearly perfect night on the way for a swim this evening. So head on out there and check it out. So a couple of lingering showers that could linger through late this morning, and then here's 3:30. And I do just want to point out, notice most of the region is dealing with sunshine, but we will have the opportunity for a pop-up shower as well. Tomorrow, kind of a similar deal. A mix of clouds and sunshine, mainly nice. This does show an afternoon shower popping up, though, especially south and east of Harrisburg, and there may be a few more Thursday evening. Here is 6 p.m. Notice some downpours popping up for some of the western counties. We'll see if they hold together. And then as we move ahead into Friday, same type of situation. A stray shower or a thunderstorm popping up in the afternoon or evening, and that is going to remain the case here through the weekend with the hot and humid air mass. So precision cast showing, again, the chances of significant rain from most places are slim here over the next couple of days, but I think we'll see an increase in coverage as we move into Friday and again on Saturday. So yesterday, still our best shot at some significant rain, and parts of the region did pick up some significant rain yesterday, but we'll do it again. I mean, look at these dew points going up for the weekend into the 70s. We finally get a break next Tuesday, and you can see that each day, Friday, Saturday, here's Sunday, offer the chance of storms, and then we'll dry out next week. And finally, thanks to another dry front on Monday, we sort of get cooler and less humid. So hot and humid today, 92 degrees. Some stray showers will be around 72 tonight. Mostly clear and muggy, and here are the next 7 days. We're still stuck in the muck, and we will be through the weekend with daily storm chances, but we'll start to cool things down here early next week. Stay with us. We'll be back.